So the air conditioning on this old RV, I was called in to a truck shop. They just do big heavy duty rigs, trucks, you know, heavy duty equipment. And one of the technicians, he got a refrigerant analyzer when I told him they needed a refrigerant analyzer, and you can tell how many years ago this was by this factor. So we got a 100% R12 here. R12 100% pass, no air. So I'll be recovering the R12. Here's my R12 recovery tank. And they had a seized bearing, so they're doing the compressor, the condenser, the accumulator, the pressure switch, flushing the system, doing everything, and put it back into operation. But they don't do R12 anymore, so they called me in here to recover the R12. And that's what I'm doing. And I had a problem with one of my, this is my other older, so I let a shop use my other refrigerant ID they're doing, because they have a fleet over there and they have like 27 vehicles coming in, and they wanted me to service all the vehicles. So I lent them my refrigerant ID, or I told them to refrigerant ID every vehicle they want me to do. I'll come in on like a Saturday, because it's 27 vehicles, and just line them all up and do them all in one day. But I told them they had a refrigerant identifier and write down whether the refrigerant was pure or contaminated. Just hit the printout button and give me the printout on every vehicle. They'll leave them all on the wiper blades, and I'll just come through and do all the vehicles. So I went back and I grabbed my other backup one, and I got an oxygen sensor error. So I need an oxygen sensor on this one. It's having a problem. So I asked the shop here for their refrigerant ID, and I use theirs. This is really old school, and if I thought mine were slow, this one you could go to McDonald's and order a hamburger by the time you're finished. So let's cover this R12, and that's what I'm doing now.